Hey friends, welcome back to turning my RV bedroom into a magical Harry Potter inspired space. And I'll say that 5 times fast. Now that we're finally done with the ombre bed, it's time to paint the walls. I don't know how entertaining this TikTok will be. I chose a very light cream color inspired by Bilbo Baggins' plaster walls inside of his Hobbit home, but the camera did not pick that up and it kind of just looks like I'm painting a cream wall cream again. What I'm really trying to do is get rid of that texture on the walls. So you'll find it in every RV. It ended up working pretty well. It makes the room feel much more homey, and I love the cream color next to the blues that we have in the bedroom already. Don't worry, I'm not going to leave you hanging for a part 2 on this one. Unfortunately, friends, this will be the last project I do in this bedroom. We've decided to sell the RV when we land back home in Atlanta this winter. So I won't be able to bring my full vision to life, and this is kind of only halfway done, but I hope you guys enjoyed the process nonetheless. There are definitely more adventures planned, but I'm going to keep those under wraps for now. But don't worry, I have a few more projects that I have yet to edit and post, so I'll be around. But if you like seeing these little DIY time-lapse and some travel vlogs, please like and subscribe, and also check out our YouTube channel for more in-depth videos and our Instagram for more real-time updates. Until next time, friends, I'm Amateur's Opinion, and our travel YouTube channel is Nowhere in Particular.